Water is one of the most important resources. Water is one of the most important resources. As life without water is not possible. The water resources of India are mainly in two forms. Number one, surface drainage, and number two, the underground water. Most of the Indian rivers are passing through more than one state. The utilization of water of these rivers is a point of dispute between the neighboring states. Next line. In Indian Constitution, water is a state subject. Consequently, the state governments virtually exercise full control on the planning, regulation, distribution, and control of the river passing through their territory. Actually, this is a state subject, and each state try to get the maximum quantity of water, and quantity of water especially for irrigation, maybe for industries and other uses, but irrigation of crops is the main issue. They want this water is my water. They want to get the optimum use or the maximum utilization of water. Next line. Under Article 262 of the Indian Constitution, the Parliament is empowered. The Parliament is empowered to provide the adjudication or control of water on any interstate river. Full stop. Continue. Under the Water Dispute Act, 1956, a tribunal of 3 sitting judges, of the Supreme Court has to be constituted by the central government for the settlement of the dispute. Actually, this is a provision. In case 2 states are having some dispute, the central government will appoint a team of 3 sitting Supreme Court judges. They will look into the matter. Now, next line.